It's ER's Year in Review. Hi, I'm Ray. From Buju Banton's Long Walk to Freedom concert to coffee toasting her big year, ER turns back the clock on 2019.
Kicking off our end-of-year take on 2019.
Cause a boy like me not mad.
DJ in legal limbo drops catchy tune and recaptures the limelight.
Me not mad.
Munga hot heading into the new year.
Munga we job farm. I'm just come find a big hit single so.
Never left. Nah, gone away. Still there. My granny say when I did no dash away no.
Good girl forget things.
Something also of a comeback for ex-Bleacher DJ Gage.
Yeah, if it's DJ Wagwan, you see me hot up the place, nice up the place. Dancehall, big and bad and you know what I mean? So you have to look out. Come on, Anthony, some weird things can bust out of dancehall, you know. Don't go around that, you know. And you have to want to John, this boss, but he boss.
Only person me fear just got down caps. Me don't want to see no one cup. Can't take no tight strap. The mommy lip and ground with me face down flat.
And Tommy Lee reincarnated in 2019 with Blessings.
Well, I think it's the fusion, you know, with the trap music and the different type of beats that are coming out. It's not so much the authentic dancehall that has been dominating the airways for the past years. Is a new song.
The single, a career high for the goth DJ who finally beat the scamming rap that put his career on hold.
That's why they're in jail. First somebody come to my mind, man, a real boss man, say, man, come down there a few days and I'm happy, man, say, yo, if my face so real boss free, and then I make the dog. But what I want to do this right now, the last thing I want to say, I'm go down there so. If it's something I don't know about, I do. Yeah, nobody not perfect, anybody can go to jail. But me no want go down there for one me no know about. You know what I mean?
Elephant Man with the energy again.
Elephant Man, another DJ factoring in the story of dancehall acts recapturing earlier form.
Me no tell you no the place I go turn up back again. Elephant Man with the energy again. Dancers again, mad them no dance from when.
We still keep up, we still give the fans them the thing them pan some rhythm. Nice comments, but we never find it. Until we find it. And the people them say, Ellie, you find it.
We always try to make nothing out of something. Nothing is wrong with that, but some of the times you have to find an artist who already have certain amount of traction, where you can already hit the ground running, and Elephant Man has been to the mountaintop and back.
Move to the right, to the left, and stop. Stop it again, select. Turn it up till it up.
No Buju Banton at the launch of his eagerly awaited Long Walk to Freedom return concert.
I'm not there tonight with you. Not in the flesh, but in the spirit. I am there. And on the 16th of March, we endeavor to reconnect. Yes? And pick up where we left off.
Ticket buy already. What else is there to do in 2019? March 16.
Come March, thousands getting their first glimpse of Buju Banton in the flesh since his release from prison in the United States, where he'd served a 7-year sentence on drug-related charges. Banton's National Stadium gig the concert event of the year.
This was epic. It was worth every single penny that I spent on my hard-earned money. Epic. It was as if he never left.
We couldn't miss it for the world. Like, if you love dancehall and reggae music, there's no way Buju Banton can have his first show after the release and you're not here, you get me? So I have to be here, you know what I mean, to see the government and, you know, be a fan tonight. Right now, I'm even governor, I'm Romeo the fan right now, you see?
New dancehall collective known as The Six gained momentum in 2019.
The Six is a syndicate of artists, just like the new generation of dancehall, you know what I mean? People them like the image and the flow of the thing. It's more a new trap style. Yeah, it's a trap style. It's like dancehall, hip-hop. We just sing what we visualize on a daily basis.
6 bars, I am in a afraid for knock it.
You know, see me trending youth. Gucci, Prada, I'm offending suit. Every girl, I say, yo, the Six them cute. Well fresh out here, our nasty, young.
6 Bar Squash, detained for months under the state of emergency, released in January. And The Six, also including Daddy One and Chronic Law, with a string of hits in 2019.
Dancehall rough, so a dancehall I do, you know. You see me, so we have to come hard too. Cause remember, people like Clash, you know.
So we have to come with these lyrics and make artists know that we're ready. You see me? And we can war to if it come to lyrical war, not physical war. And I like we are go out there go fight nobody, so I just lyrics. The people them know that say I just lyrics. And I dance all me I do, you see me?
A crop of young DJs getting their big break with hot singles. Ace God from Manchester, early out of the gate with Mark X and Axio.
So the song at me take town, come a Ville. The song Mark X and Axio. Yeah, I don't know say the leading car them right now where every youth want right now. You know see it, Anthony? You're not even forget a reason. Just look upon them, Anthony.
Boy, they look like some old cars.
Nah man, how you talk about Anthony? What that?
Polo a hit for Hot Frost and Takeover.
They have a chop style, you know. You ever cook a pot more and you just add little more season to it and it just get a different taste. So to me, I done.
Polo shirt, I'm a bad shot. But the two DJs later at odds over credit for the single.
Nobody never knew him before Polo. People know me before Polo. They know Chop Chop. You understand? So a Chop Chop make Polo.
Chop money like Ken Crop. Money, chop chop. Hold me so clean, so saucy.
Also riding the airwaves, So Saucy by New York-based DJ Kamar Haikon. You've been trying to get a foot in the door.
I think I have a foot in now. How hard you work is where you will get. And I'm here now. Sauce, that's what I'm bringing. You put on a shirt, you feel good. You get up today, you feel good. That's where music is now.
Say them real, them have to prove themselves. But just give them the rope, make them hang themselves.
An intense year for a young DJ from Tavern, Popine, along with his sidekick, Iwata.
Me have couple, I'm free. The whole of them over this side right now, it depends on me, you see it? Me, Jet Life, Jenna Jet Life, Iwata. So I have to make this work.
Yeah, Red Boom, hey.
You have a style with the female them love. No, you bother not going to with you, you know no image and them thing there, you know no style, you know no craft and them thing there.
Man, I rock brand new Clark Foot.
Clark Foot, the big one for X6 DJ Javilani.
Music corrupt. We not go just jump out and come say this a man do that and this a man do that. But we been a hear the thing them as me. People fight the thing, people tell radio man say, oh, that the man they sang not for play there, so people put their artists on show. When time you forget on show and them thing, the regular promoter call me back and radio man I tell me them thing, the regular thing, and I just say good just the same because you can't stop my thing. You saw me I say,
The internet buzzing with new faces. Fresh and fun, often with a gimmicky edge.
Well, what's that go? You know see how the bees run yourself. Live. When you're serious, me can't make you smile. I just feel like you're tough. Make you laugh. I know you run the world.
Bees Hive getting lots of laughs.
Reason fresh.
The girl them like me.
Mackerel capturing eyes and ears on Instagram with a bizarre message.
Me I don't really like people, man. I just like going at people's life. I just like mash up people relationships. Some man really feel good woman for a cockroach like me.
And so the behavior is there and it's widespread among young women who think the only thing that they can offer a man is sex. And the only thing they can get from a man is sexual attention.
Still I go take people, man. I not no fear. Cause if I see a man and I like your man, I go take your man.
And from take away your man to gimme a wow.
I need a big house on the hill for my daughter. Get her out here. Take some of them out here. Put them out there. So can I get a wow? Wow! Water win? Wow! Walipa? Wow! What more you need?
Some tears are falling right now. Why they're falling?
Joy.
Wow is a big game changer in your life.
Because them criticize me. Them tell me so myself. Me this, me that. my heart steady and comfort. But me still be strong, me never give up.
And some getting a kick out of the West Kingston ex-gunman turned ninja pastor who had rum thrown in his face and lashed out with the admonishment, hold your position.
The devil couldn't work without the wrath, and God couldn't work without me. So when the devil come, I will have to take down the devil, whether I'm come spiritual or physical. I will have to put him down.
Rasta man, me say hold your position. You know, listen, me say hold your position.
More ER Year in Review after the break.